554 here. I got my friend's Kink. He couldn't do the bike check because he was sick. It's a Kink Curb 2012. Alright, let's start off with the handlebars. Stock Kink handlebars. ODI long neck in white. Kind of dirty. Yeah. ODI bar ends. Demolition stem in white. It was $60. $60, man. Alright, let's see. Tinker frame, stock headset, stock forks, stock front wheel, animal white wall. Let's see what we have. Golden thermalite pedals. We got the stock cranks, stock chain wheel. I don't know what kind of chain this is. We got I don't know what's that either. Stock back wheel, same white wall in the back. Eastern seat post, mission, stock stem. Let's just give you a sound check. It's not that loud. Yeah, the bike shop fucked it up. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. We will get more parts. I'll get more parts on my bike. He'll get more parts on his bike. We'll do another bike check. Peace.